So, really, I think the big news in our community this week is Apple announced a new self-repair program. Apple is actually now going to give customers access to Apple genuine parts, tools, and manuals. This is something that a number of people in our community have been wanting for years. It's incredible to see Apple doing this. They've kind of alluded in the past that this was something that they didn't want to do, and they seem to have changed their tune this week. Now, the program's going to start with the iPhone 12 and 13, and customers will be able to get parts via a new self-service repair online store. Apple says it's going to offer more than 200 individual parts and tools at launch. The first phase of the program will focus mostly on commonly serviced parts for the iPhones, like the display, battery, and camera. And customers who return their used or broken part to Apple for recycling are going to be able to receive a credit toward their purchase. Now, the program, Apple says, will eventually be extended to include Apple Silicon Macs later next year. And really, this is a big step forward for Apple. One, though, that I'm not sure how many people are going to take advantage of. I mean, the fact that you're going to have repair manuals officially from Apple, you're going to get all the information, you're going to have access to tools. The parts are still going to be relatively expensive. We're hearing about the same cost, maybe a little bit cheaper. And this is all speculation at this point, but it's based off of their existing independent repair program. Basically, they're saying it will be just kind of around or under the cost of what it would cost to take it to an Apple store. So you're really going to have to want to repair this yourself, or maybe be in an area where you don't have quite as easy access to Apple repairs.